9 exponent x equals 90, okay? So 9 exponent x equals, now 90 is the same as 9 times 10, okay? Now 9 is the same as 3 exponent 2. All right. Now 10 is the same as 5 times 2. All right, now let's apply the power of a power rule here. So we say a exponent m multiplying c should give us a exponent mc. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2x equals 3 exponent 2 times 5 times 2. All right, so we are going to have 3 exponent 2x equals 3 exponent 2 times 5 times 2. Now let's divide here by 3 exponent 2 and then here by 3 exponent 2. So this cancels this. So we are left with 3 exponent 2x over 3 exponent 2 equals, okay, 5 times 2. Now let's apply the quotient rule here. So the quotient rule states that a exponent m over a exponent b should give us a exponent m minus b. So our equation becomes 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals 5 times 2. All right, now let's introduce logarithms. So we say log 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 5 times 2. All right, now let's apply the product rule of logarithms here. So we say that log a times b should give us log a plus log b. So we're going to have log 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 5 plus log 2. All right, now let's apply the logarithm definition here. So we say log a exponent n base b should give us n multiplying log a, okay, n log a base b. So our equation becomes 2x minus 2 times log 3 equals log 5 plus log 2. All right, now let's divide all the terms of the equation by log 3. So here divided by log 3, here by log 3, and then here by log 3. So this and this will cancel. So we are left with 2x minus 2 equals log 5 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. Okay, now let's apply the change of base formula here. So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. So our equation becomes 2x minus 2 equals log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3. So our equation becomes 2x equals log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2. Now let's make x the subject of the equation. So we are going to have 2x equals log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2. So we want to make x the subject of the equation. So we divide here by 2 and then here by 2. So this cancels this. So we are left with x equals log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2 all over 2.